To make money in crypto, start by understanding the basics of blockchain and cryptocurrency. Research the different types of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins. Learn about the various ways to make money in crypto, including buying and holding, trading, and investing in initial coin offerings. The first step is to set up a digital wallet to store your cryptocurrencies. Choose a reputable exchange and create an account. Fund your account with fiat currency and use it to buy your preferred cryptocurrency. Consider using a hardware wallet for added security. Next, learn about technical analysis and chart patterns to make informed trading decisions. Understand key concepts such as support and resistance levels, trend lines, and moving averages. Use this knowledge to buy and sell cryptocurrencies at the right time. Another way to make money in crypto is through investing in initial coin offerings. Research the project and its potential for growth, and consider the risks involved. Diversify your portfolio by investing in different types of cryptocurrencies and projects. It is also important to stay up to date with market news and trends. Follow reputable sources and join online communities to stay informed. Always prioritize security and use two-factor authentication to protect your account. Finally, consider mining cryptocurrencies as another way to make money. Research the different types of mining and the equipment required. Join a mining pool to increase your chances of earning rewards. Remember to always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The crypto market can be volatile, so it is essential to stay informed and adapt to changing market conditions. By following these steps and staying committed to learning and improving, you can increase your chances of making money in crypto.